How to customize Android Auto Launcher sort order on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here, scroll down and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, scroll down and you will see display session customize launcher. So click on customize launcher. So click on launcher sorting. So after click on launcher sorting, you will see if you want to set customize order. So click on customize order. So after click on customize order, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize Android Auto Launcher sort order on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.